35 foot-pound, eh? Let's set up a test. Hello everybody, sorry about the light in here, but I only have one LED fluoro set up and it's an overcast day, so I don't have much ambient light from outside. But anyway, we'll give it a go and see how it goes. So you might remember a few years ago I did a wish copy of this Tite-Reach extension. Now it proved to be pretty much useless, and I don't even have it for comparison because I didn't bother bringing it with me when we moved. I left it in the shed where we were living there. The other thing we have from Tite-Reach is this extension clamp, a miniature handheld vise, which, I mean, is not a bad idea. It's just a couple of pieces of steel that barely bent up, and that closes up. So yes, you can see that would be pretty handy for starting a nut off. It was behind something where you couldn't quite see or couldn't quite reach. Yeah, so I'm thinking, whilst it's not going to be useful all the time, it might well be useful every now and again. Anyway, here's our Tite-Reach. You will remember, she's just pretty simple. It's got a chain inside it. You turn one end, the other end turns. You flip it over or change ends to change which way you do things. Now, I don't know what's happened in the last few years. These were really quite expensive to start with. I don't know whether there's just no market for them, whether Wish priced them out of the market, or whether everyone's realised they're rubbish or whatever. But this one here, this was $20 at Bunnings, and this clamp was $15. So I thought, well, and they were on clearance, so I thought, well, we'll give them a try and see what they're like. So it says on the packaging here, rated for 47 Newton meters or 35 foot-pounds of torque. Not built for use with impact wrench, designed and engineered in the USA, but I believe made in China. This one I think was made in China as well. So I don't know, I sort of thought these were supposed to be a good thing, but then maybe it's just been bollocks all the way. So I have got set up here a jig so that I have got a nut torque to 35 Newton meters. Although internet discussions on the use of torque wrenches basically say that this will not be accurate because I am not maintaining the distance from the end as required with regards to the foot rating. So with this thing in the middle, there will actually be more than a foot between the fastener And the torque wrench, that however has clipped off at 35 foot-pounds, so make of that what you will. I'm a bit more impressed than I was with the Wish copy, so yeah, maybe she's a good thing.